Hey, this is Susan Velez from SusanVelez.com, and in this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to install a plugin as well as how to activate a plugin and delete a plugin. So let's get started. So I'm in the dashboard of my WordPress site, and what I want to do is I want to install or upload a plugin that was purchased somewhere else, not inside of the WordPress repository. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to come over here to plugins, add new, and then we're going to come up here where it says upload a plugin. So we're going to browse to the file directory of where we have the plugin zip file. So I have it on top of my desktop right here. So I want to install that. And then once you found the plugin, you want to click on install now. And then it's going to do the unzipping of the plugin for you, and then all you'll have to do is click on activate plugin if you want to start using it. So click on activate plugin, and then you'll notice that it takes you directly back to the plugin dashboard, and these are all the plugins that I have on my website. Now, as you can notice right here, it says view version 1.95.1 details, and it'll say update now. One of the things about using WordPress plugins is every so often they will need to be updated. So you can actually get the version details right here, and it'll tell you what's changed in the plugin, as well as give you a description of the plugin. And then it'll say install update right here. You can do this from here, or you can just click update now. Now, one of the things I highly recommend is if you're not that familiar with WordPress, I'd make a backup of the website before you update a plugin, because sometimes plugins can get a little finicky. And if you update a plugin and then it screws up the site, you're gonna hope that you had a backup on file. So we're just gonna click update now, and it's gonna go through and update the plugin. And this will give you the most updated version of the plugin on the website. And once that's done, I'll show you how you find a plugin in case you don't have one on your computer. So you'll notice that it's been updated. Now all my plugins are up to date. So if you want to find a plugin inside the WordPress repository, just click add new, and then right here in the search box you can search based on keywords, or you can come down here and see which ones are featured, as well as the most popular plugins, and then the recommended and favorites. So for this tutorial, I'm actually just going to go ahead and find one of these plugins. Now, before I install a plugin on my website, there are a couple variables I like to look at. And one of them is that I like to look at how many installs the plugin has had. And as you can notice, the Yoast SEO plugin has had over 1 million active installs. It's got a high review with over 4,000 reviews. It was last updated 5 days ago, and it is compatible with your version of WordPress. So those are the things that I like to look at, is how often is the plugin updated? Is it compatible with the version of WordPress that I'm using? And are there a lot of people actually using this plugin, and does it have high reviews? If I can answer yes to all those questions based on this criteria right here, I will go ahead and install it on my website. So you definitely want to avoid a plugin that does not get updated and has very low reviews or very little people use it. So in order to install this plugin from here, you could do it from two different places. You could get more details right here and find out what exactly this plugin does, as well as installation instructions, screenshots of what it does. And then reviews, you can read some of the reviews that people post on here. And then you could install it right here. It'll say install now, or you could close that out and just quickly install it from here. Now, once it's done installing, it's going to ask you if you want to activate the plugin. So you click on activate the plugin, and then it'll take you back to the WordPress dashboard. And these are all the WordPress, or the plugins that you have on, or I have on my website. And to set up the settings for plugins, they're all going to be different. If you'll notice, it'll say settings right here, and then to find the plugins, you'll notice that this Thrive Leads right here, it doesn't have a settings right there. That's because it has a settings right here. You'll find it on the dashboard. So some of the plugins that you find will be located right here on the dashboard. Some will be located under settings, as well as tools. You'll see right here, here's a plugin, Better Search Replace, and that's under tools. So if you have any troubles finding where the plugin is, I would highly recommend you search the tools, the settings, and then right here at the dashboard. And if you can't find it there, then just go to install plugins and you'll see it right here. These are all the plugins that are installed on the website. And if you still can't understand how to set it up, then I highly recommend that you contact the developer of the plugin, and that'll give you the information right here. It'll say buy, and then this is the people who actually develop and maintain the website, or not the website, but the plugin. So there you go. That is how you install, set up, and let me quickly show you how to delete a plugin. So let's just say that you want to delete this plugin right here. So it's active right now. As you can see, all my plugins are active. What you want to do is click deactivate, and then you'll notice that delete comes up right here. So all you do is click on delete, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete the Better Search Replace and its data? So that is one of the things that if you're using a plugin that has data, most of the time it's going to be deleted. So we want to just click OK, because I know that I want to delete that. And it'll tell you Better Search Replace was successfully deleted. So there you go. That is how you use a plugin, install a plugin, and delete a plugin. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one.